That was a quick train ride, only about 8 minutes. And we've hopped off the train. Is this the right way to the exit? Where are you going? Wrong way. All these people were following us. I guess we were walking with confidence because they thought this was the exit as well. The wind has died down. The sun is out. I am still extremely full from the meal that we just had. We are safely crossing the train track. The wind has picked up. I'm afraid my hat is going to blow off. We are walking the path towards Fenway Park. I would like to know why we are going to Fenway Park. Why are you so interested in going to Fenway?
Fenway is considered one of the oldest stadiums in the USA. There's a lot of history, a lot of baseball history, and it's also known to have what's called the Green Monster, which is triple the size of a normal home run wall. This wall is 3 times the size, so we'll get some video on that.
My hat just fell off. Boston has a lot of contemporary, newer looking buildings. We are scanning our ticket. Thank you. Going to a baseball game here is a different experience compared to going to a game in LA, because most of the people going to the sports games in LA, I don't think are true fans, because many of the residents were not born and raised in LA. So I think that the crowd here will be much more enthusiastic. We're about to find out. Which team are you rooting for?
Boston.
Boston. We said that with the Boston accent. The locals, if they have a Boston accent, would say Boston. And when they say park the car, they would say pack the car. They don't really pronounce the R's. In Boston, you pack the car. The crowd is very enthusiastic here. Can you hear them? If you look straight ahead, you'll see a tall green wall. That was the wall that my husband was talking about earlier. And over here, you'll see the shorter wall, which is the normal height for a baseball field wall. The yellow jersey is Boston, and the black jersey is Chicago. Red Sox versus White Sox. We are in the cab on the way to the convention center. At the convention center, we will see many brands that are sponsoring the Boston Marathon. They are there to promote their brand or company. We just got dropped off by the cab. This architecture reminds me of Chicago. Did you watch any of my Chicago vlogs? We got dropped off at the wrong convention center. Whose fault was that? Your fault or the cab driver's fault? Okay, we are now at the correct convention center. I think I just made the metal detector go off. The apparel section of the convention was underwhelming. I think we had higher expectations of other brands to be there. It was only Adidas, so I think Adidas is the main sponsor for this Boston Marathon. And now we are on the other side of the expo, which has, let's see, I'm going this way. Harvard Healthcare. We just tasted a sample of an energy drink over here. There's also headphones that you can test out. There's a lot of random vendors here. Nothing really worth filming, to be honest. On this wall is all the names of the runners of the marathon. Oh, he found him. Go Craig, go Craig. We can't wait to cheer you on tomorrow. All the names are in alphabetical order, so it is easy to find. We are now going to go to Newbury Street to go shopping. We are walking along Newbury Street, and the shops are inside of these what looks like residential buildings, also known as brownstones, I believe. We are heading towards another shoe store called New Balance. Have you heard of this brand before? It's a very popular brand. We decided to check out Salty Girl, which is a seafood restaurant highly recommended by my friends. That was a delicious meal that we just had, and now we are going to North End, which is an area rich in history. When I say rich, in this context, I mean it has a lot of, or it is abundant in history. So I can't wait to show you, and I can't wait to experience it for the first time. I heard that it is a very pretty neighborhood. The wind has really died down now, and there's more people out and about, which means people are outside. Take a look. Isn't it beautiful here? We are in North End, the kind of like little Italy of Boston. There are many people standing outside of these restaurants, which tells me that the food must be good there. Oh, I bet this place is good. Best Italian sub in Boston. Sub is another word for sandwich, but it comes on a specific type of bread. And I believe sub is short for submarine. We need to move out of the way because there's a car coming. And now we are walking up what may be a residential neighborhood. Look at this cute dog. For my Brazil friends, there is a Brazil flag over there. Here is the Peace Garden.
Yeah, go ahead.
I guess it leads up to a church. I am standing in front of Paul Revere's house. He is the man that rode at midnight to warn that the British were coming, and this began the start of the fight of America's independence.